As affiliate marketers, we all have one thing in common. Or maybe I should say, we all have the same problem. We need a consistent flow of quality targeted leads in order to get sales. Without leads, we don't get sales. And without sales, obviously, we don't make any money. But where do you advertise to get plenty of quality targeted traffic and leads that actually convert to sales? I'll tell you where. The best place to advertise is where other marketers are advertising, or where you can target other marketers. Why? Because 95% of them are not making any money, which means they are always open-minded about other opportunities. You also don't have to convince other marketers that internet marketing is a great way to make some part-time or full-time money. Not only are they already convinced, I am super excited to tell you about a powerful new advertising platform that caters specifically to affiliate and network marketers. Now I want you to pay extra close attention from here on out, because this is actually how I made my first $1 million online.